My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 MG ZS. This is an electric vehicle and it is done at just over 30,000 miles. On the screen we can see features such as navigation, Android and Apple CarPlay, and as we go into the car icon and its comfort and convenience, we can see unique features such as follow me home and find my car. We can access the AC by pressing this button here. It will appear on the screen. The ZS also comes with a dial as a gear shifter and electronic handbrake. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.